Segment labels. The labels a segment is assigned are visible below the segment number to the left. You can change labels for all segments, for a selection of segments, or for individual segments. Choose Segment Label from the drop-down Actions menu. Remember to have the segments filtered in a way that only the segments you wish to alter are shown. Clicking on the plus sign will show you which labels are available to be assigned. Choose the relevant label and click Apply to assign the labels to the selected segments. You will also be prompted to decide whether you want to change a status or a bookmark at the same time. Once again, you'll be shown how many segments were altered in the Actions report. Close the window to then return to the editor working space. We now see that our segments have labels attached.